Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So the diameter of the spherical mothball is observed to halve in 200 days. So I will put about the number 1. This is about original in here equals to true or number 1. After 200 days, this one will become a half. So that means we have this one like this. And we can see that we can put about the number 2. And this one, if we reduce by half, you can get about or number 1. But the number 2 that equals to 2 or number 2 because the diameter equals to 2 times of the radius. So we can see that this one equals to this one. So, and we can see that number 2 go in here. And we got about 2d number 2 equals to the number 1 for this equation. That means we need to focus about this one. So we can transform this one into radius. So that we have the same. Next, the next one, how long will it take for its remaining volume to become half of its volume at 200 days? So the volume of this one we have 4/3 b r to the power of 3. Now after 200 days we can find the new volume of r number 2 in here based on r number 1. So we have original and this is v number 1. This is about v number 2. We put this one go in here and we got like this, and this is about 1/8. Now they want to find a half of remaining, that is about v number 3. So we have 1/2 v number 2. So we put this number from here go in here. And in this one, number 2 multiplied by number 8, we have 1/16. So this one, that is about v number 1. Now we have v number 3. We can convert into like this. This one we have 1/16. Now in this one we need to simplify 4/3 b and b. So we have this one like this. And this is the first step. Now let's go to the next one. That is about a half-life formula. So we know that after 200 days, the radius they will become a half. So that means we have r equals to r number 1 multiplied by number 2 to the power of negative small t over 200. Now we have this one, so we put the cubic root for the both sides. So we have r number 3 equals to number 1 over the cubic root of number 3 of 16, and we have r number 1 in here. So that means r number 3 that should be we put in here. So we put this equation go in here. So that should be like this. So we have r number 1 we cancel for the both sides. Later that we put about natural log for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. Now we need to find the value of t, and we put negative 200 and ln number 2 go to the left. So that should be about negative 200 multiplied by this one. So we calculate and we have 266.67. So we put about 267 days. So that means from original to this one, that's about r number 3, that we got about 267 days. But they start that they want to find how long to become a half of the volume compared to the volume after 200 days. So we just use about 267 minus 200 days. You got about 67 days. And this is the technique how to answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.